Welcome to TechSphere. Today we're talking about Nvidia, the company behind some of the most exciting tech innovations. From smashing financial records to launching the next big thing in gaming and teaming up with Elon Musk, Nvidia is shaping the future of technology. If you're curious about what's next in gaming, AI, and the tech world, stick around. And don't forget to subscribe to TechSphere for updates on the coolest tech news. Nvidia is making big money. Nvidia recently revealed some mind-blowing numbers. In just 3 months, they made $35 billion. To put that in perspective, that's more than some countries make in a year. And it's not just about making money. They've nearly doubled what they earned last year during the same time. How did they pull this off? The answer is simple. Their technology powers artificial intelligence, AI. AI is everywhere right now. It's in the apps you use, the virtual assistants you talk to, and even the tools that help doctors and scientists. Nvidia's GPUs, think of them as super smart computer chips, are the engines behind all this innovation. With everyone wanting smarter tools and gadgets, Nvidia is in the perfect spot to grow even more. And it's not just AI that's helping Nvidia rake in the cash. Gamers, content creators, and companies also rely on their powerful tech. From building lifelike video games to creating stunning animations, Nvidia is setting the standard for what computers can do. Teaming up with Elon Musk. When it comes to big ideas, Elon Musk is always in the spotlight. His latest venture, xAI, is all about building smarter artificial intelligence, and Nvidia is a key partner. Elon's company is using Nvidia's GPUs to teach its AI to think, learn, and solve problems. It's like giving the AI a brain upgrade. But partnerships like this aren't always smooth sailing. Reports say that xAI wants more GPUs than Nvidia can deliver quickly, and there's some back and forth about pricing. Even so, this collaboration shows just how important Nvidia is in the world of AI. If Elon Musk is counting on them, you know they're doing something right. New graphics cards are coming. If you love gaming or want your computer to work faster and look better, you're in for a treat. Nvidia is launching its new GeForce RTX 50 series graphics cards early next year. These cards are like turbochargers for your PC, making games look incredibly realistic and helping with tasks like video editing and 3D design. These new GPUs are based on something called the Blackwell architecture, which is just a fancy way of saying they're faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. Nvidia is promising record-breaking performance, and tech enthusiasts can't wait to see what these cards can do. There's just one small hiccup. Because these cards are so advanced, there might not be enough to go around at first, but if you're patient, these GPUs are expected to change the game for anyone who loves tech. Looking back, 25 years of innovation. This year, Nvidia is celebrating the 25th anniversary of its first ever GPU, the GeForce 256. Back in 1999, this chip was a game changer, giving computers the power to handle advanced graphics for the first time. To mark the occasion, Nvidia built a retro-style gaming PC inspired by the 90s, but gave it a modern twist by adding today's technology, like the GeForce RTX 4080 Super. It's a fun way to look back at how far Nvidia has come. What started as a small company making graphics cards is now a global leader in AI, gaming, and computer technology. From the GeForce 256 to the upcoming RTX 50 series, Nvidia has been at the forefront of tech innovation. Nvidia's role in everyday life. You might be wondering, why does Nvidia matter to me? The truth is, Nvidia's technology touches almost everything we do. If you've ever played a video game with stunning graphics, streamed a movie in high definition, or talked to a virtual assistant like Siri, chances are Nvidia's tech was behind it. But it's not just about entertainment. Nvidia is helping doctors analyze medical data faster, engineers design safer cars, and scientists predict the weather more accurately. Even industries like agriculture and finance are using Nvidia's AI to solve problems in new and innovative ways. In short, Nvidia isn't just shaping the tech world, it's making our lives better in ways we don't always see. Why this matters for the future. What makes Nvidia so exciting is that they're not just focused on today, they're building the future. Their GPUs are powering research into artificial intelligence that could lead to smarter robots, better healthcare, and even cleaner energy. With their new graphics cards, they're also giving gamers and creators the tools to dream bigger and create faster. Their partnership with Elon Musk's xAI is another sign that Nvidia is here to lead. As AI becomes an even bigger part of our world, Nvidia's technology will play a huge role in shaping what's possible. And let's not forget about their celebration of the GeForce 256's 25th anniversary. It's a reminder of how far technology has come in just a couple of decades and a hint at how much further we can go. If Nvidia's track record is anything to go by, the next 25 years are going to be even more exciting. A company for everyone. Whether you're a gamer you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves cool gadgets, Nvidia has something for you. They're not just making products, they're pushing boundaries. From helping AI learn faster to making your favorite games look better, Nvidia is building a future that's smarter, faster, and more connected. What do you think about Nvidia's latest moves? Are you excited about their new graphics cards or their work with AI? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the coolest tech out there.